In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 easy AI digital products that you could make today and list on Etsy. Let's watch. So the first AI digital product that we could easily create is wall art. Let's validate what people are actually buying. So here's a really great tip on how to find bestsellers for a product. So first, do a search for that product on Etsy, and then under Show Filters, select Etsy's Best, and then click Star Seller. Then in the URL, we're going to change the word star to best. Now it's going to show me the popular and bestseller listings. The popular listings typically include beautiful landscape paintings. We have a lot of nursery prints and even beautiful nature and botanical prints. So to easily create all of these items really fast, I'm going to use Artistly. So what I typically do is go to Create Design and then select Fast AI Image Designer. Then under AI Design Agents, I'm going to select Wall Art Sketch. Under Style Picker, we could select Oil Painting. And under Number Designs, I'm going to create about 3. For dimensions, if we want to create a portrait, we would select 4 or 5. Then I'm just going to write Antique Landscape of a sunset over a pastel ocean. So here are the 3 designs that came out. They're really beautiful. You could easily upscale them by selecting AI bulk actions, going to create new action, and then choosing them from your library. Then click add step and then click upscale image, only upscale, and then add step again and click convert to 300 dpi. Then we're just going to build that action, and it's going to generate high resolution images. So you can sell these individually or create a set of 3. So while we're in here, we can even create a mockup in Artistly. So I'm going to select AI Design Assistants and then select Mockup Creator. And then I'm going to choose the image from the library. So this is the one I just created. I'm going to select 1, and then I'm just going to type add this design to a frame on a wall. Then click Generate Image. So I went ahead and actually created 2 designs. So I really love the way this is looking. So you can literally create the mockups directly in Artistly, which I love. So the next super easy digital product to create with AI is TV frame art. And again, similar to the wall art, you have these beautiful antique paintings of landscapes. So this is really easy to create. You could even create bundles and sell them at a higher price. You can create them for different seasons. So because the summer is coming up, I actually want to create more of a vintage summer design. So we could always go back to AI Design Agents and click on Wall Art Sketch. You could also go to AI Art Illustrator and try different types of styles. Because that oil painting style is really popular, I'm going to select oil painting to write vintage summer beach painting. Under dimensions, I'm going to select 16:9 for TV framed art and then try 3 different variations. Click Generate Image. So it's produced these 3 really beautiful layouts. And again, we would just upscale them by going to AI bulk actions, create new action, choosing them from the library, adding a step, clicking upscale, only upscale, and then convert to 300 dpi to build your action. So the next digital product that I personally love to create is clip art. And I do this directly through Artistly. I have a custom GPT. The link is in the description if you're interested, and it generates bulk prompts. So let's say you want to create this summer clip art. My GPT lets you select from a variety of options, and it was able to create this beautiful coastal theme where you can literally just copy the clip art in bulk. And under Artistly, go to AI Design Agents, select clip art. Since I copied 5, I'm going to paste the 5 prompts and then click Generate Clip Art. And it generated this beautiful coastal clip art. So you would just go back to the Willow GPT and bulk copy all of these and paste it into Artistly to create this set. So all you would do is download the clip art from Artistly and upload them to Canva. So here is the first mockup listing of my set, and it came out really beautiful. I used the name that the Willow GPT gave me for this. My clip art prompt machine includes all of these mockup listing templates. So you could easily create beautiful mockups like this for your clip art. So the next item you could easily create with AI would be digital stickers. These are huge sellers, and people who are making a lot of money are selling the entire shop. You could literally repurpose all these designs and sell them as digital stickers. So I'm just adding these to my mockup listings. These mockup listings also come with the clip art prompt machine. So not only can you create and sell clip art, you could also create and sell digital stickers. So I was able to literally repurpose the same set. So you can even create beautiful wall art with that clip art that you generate. So this would be a really great bundle that you could sell for a kids room. So the next set I want to walk you through are for junk journal papers. They're really popular on Etsy and super easy to create. And there's a few styles that you could choose from. You could either choose grunge scrapebook, which is supposed to be, I guess, for a scrapbook, or you could choose steampunk journal. So I'm going to select steampunk journal, and then I'm going to select 4x5 and then paste my prompt. Let me know if you're interested in learning how to create these junk journal papers, because I have a whole system on how to create these really great prompts. Then I'm going to select generate image, and it's created this really nice antique looking digital paper. I also generated this particular one using the grunge scrapebook style. And then this one I used creating the watercolor style. So you can find all these styles under AI Art Illustrator, and just make sure you select either 4.5 or 2.3. If you want a deep dive on how to make these digital papers, let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe.